Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we have got a very good opportunity to buy an Australian dollar versus US dollar. With this we will generate good profit. Here I have calculated the lot size with proper risk management, so that I am able to place a perfect trade. Before taking a trade you should also know how much percent of my account can be lost. See you guys later. Guys, I have $3,668 in my account which I am going to grow. Watch the video till the end, you will learn something. Like every video right now we are losing around $200. But we don't have to pay attention to it, because if we keep looking only at loss and profit we cannot concentrate on our trading process, due to which we can spoil our psychology. Now we start our technical analysis, for which I am first taking Trendline. The market has created multiple support points at this Trendline, which we can also call higher low points. The market is moving upwards taking support on this trend line. All these points will connect well with the trend line. We will connect the second trend line at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. By combining these two trend lines we have got a perfect uptrend channel which the market is following very well, due to which we can see the clear trend of the market here. We know that the market is in a strong uptrend. Now we will create strong reversal level, using which we can find exact reversal points. The market has created support and resistance points at this level, where the market has reversed at the same level. Here the market first took resistance and later broke this level to form support, due to which a resistance became support pattern is created here, which is a strong uptrend pattern. High probability chance market will move upwards from here. We have drawn all the levels well, so we are hopeful that the market will go up. Now we place stop loss and target point which will help us exit the market at the right place. Here my stop loss will be 8 pip below the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel. If there is a downward trend line breakout here, then we will plan for a selling trade here. And the target point will be 16 pip up where the market has not moved yet. Here I am using risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, which is very important. Guys, our loss has increased from $200 to $400. Let's see how much we can grow this account. I will quickly place a stop loss and target point. Guys, our work is complete. Now the next work of the market begins. Here all the levels are perfect draw. We have done a very simple analysis which anyone can do. We can grow our account with simple analysis. We just have to work on our psychology, whether we have loss or profit. This should not affect our emotions. This is called keeping psychology strong. All this will be possible only with practice. See you guys after some time. Till then you can like the video.
I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's go!
That you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately, to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into.
Very dangerous move. Guys, the market has given a very good move by creating proper price action. Our analysis was absolutely correct here, due to which the market moved in our favor. The market is still moving upwards. Here as soon as we applied the trade the market went straight upwards, but the market again came down to take support of the trend line. Then we got to see a big move upwards. For this I kept my strength strong. Now I will draw the next level and tell you which level the market will follow. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level, due to which a strong resistance level has been created here, but here the market has broken this level upwards, due to which a resistance becomes support pattern can be created here again. The market always moves like this since the market was born. Always keep the market analysis simple so that you can understand things easily. Guys, we are currently making a profit of over $5,000. I had $3,668 in my account, which has now grown to $9,493. We were able to do all this with our strong psychology and right risk management. You can also do this easily, you just need to keep your analysis simple. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share the video. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.